I want to talk to you about these Logitech H390 noise canceling headset with the microphone. Now this works well. I work from home and I have to talk on the phone a lot, so this works well. I plug it in with a USB port and I can hear what everyone is saying, and they can hear me loud and clear with my microphone. And I can adjust this microphone to drop down lower because I do talk loud, and sometimes people tell me that you're talking too loud and I need to just drop that down. But I can hear them fine, and you have a mount right here, so you can either mount it onto your clothes or just keep it close by, because in here is where you are going to mute them, as well as increase your volume and decrease your volume. Now these are noise canceling, so it helps if you have background noise in your office and you don't want your customer to hear what is going on behind you. But these really saved me this morning, because sometimes I use my bar speaker and microphone, and this morning my bar was not working. I had to drag out these, and perfect. They work just great for what I needed to do. And that is my honest opinion.